Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by removing any case and band. Do it now. Then wipe the watch back with a lint-free cloth and 90% isopropyl on a cotton swab to remove oils and debris. Next, plug the original Apple USB-C 20W brick into a confirmed working outlet and attach the Apple magnetic puck to the watch. Make sure the magnet snaps and the screen shows the charging bolt. If you don't see the bolt, reseat the puck and try a different outlet immediately. Once the puck is correctly placed, force a restart by holding the side button and digital crown for 10 to 15 seconds until the Apple logo appears. This clears software hangs that block charging. After the reboot, align the puck dead center. Small rotations matter. Then watch for the charging bolt. If nothing changes, swap to a different Apple magnetic puck or cable that you know works. Testing another watch or another charger will tell you whether the problem is the watch or the charger. If after cleaning, correct alignment, restart, and a verified charger the watch still refuses to charge, the only reliable next step is service, Apple or an authorized repair. This often indicates a swollen battery, failed charging connector, or liquid intrusion that you cannot safely fix at home. Before you go, note the serial number, describe exactly what you tried, and enable power reserve to preserve any remaining battery so the watch stays usable while you arrange repair.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.